Welcome to this video. Today we're going to cover this formula in Microsoft Excel. The first one will be concatenate. The second one, text after, text before, sum, and if. I can beg you to stay tuned because it will be a wonderful episode. And also, as bonus, I will show you how to add all countries automatically at the end of this video. You can see it here in this column. It is a blank. I left it here. Let's start by adding a number, which means series, automatically. I think that everyone knows how to add it, but I reserve it as introduction to start on. Let me put 1 here, and second, as to add automatically, you select here and you click here to add automatically all numbers. Let me zoom out. You can see that all numbers has been included automatically. Thank you very much. Let me start with the first one, as I said before here, which means concatenate. This is a formula that is going to concatenate two names in one name. First here, let me click here. I put equal concatenate. Concatenate, it is here, it's appeared, and it will show me text 1. I put this one. I will show you one thing that can really help you. Let me show you how it is. Let me do it without any space. You will notice something, but we'll show later how to deal with it. And put here D2 and close parentheses. Let me click here. You can see there is no space between these two names, John Smith. There is no space, which means that let me click here. It will show me automatically all names, but there is no space between them. As I said before, let me show you how to insert a space in it. I come back here, I click concatenate, I click here, I do this D2, comma, space little bit, quotation marks, space little bit, quotation marks, space, and I will put SUMIF here. No, sorry for disturbing you. Let me start with John here, comma, space, quotation mark, space, quotation marks, comma, and then SUMIF here, and close parentheses, which will show you John Smith. You can see, let me zoom out. You can see there is a space in it. That's how we write name, first name, and the last name. And if you click here, it will do it automatically without disturbing you. We are covering the first one, which is concatenate. Let me show you how we can use this formula, test after or test before. Let me click here and add a new column. I will say only name. I need here to separate them automatically, and I will be having a column in which I will be having John only, Mary, first name. You click here, equals, and you click text. This is text before. Here, you click the number. This will you choose between this, and you click here, you quotation marks, space, quotation marks, and you close it. Then you will have John only, which means that if I click here, it will select only John between those names. And I'll show you how to add another one. Call it name, For this case, I will do the last name only, which means that I will be having here, it will be a, before it was text before, but in this case it will be text after, double click, and then I will select here and comma, quotation mark, space, quotation mark, and I will close it with parentheses, which means that it's going to show me SUMIF. You can see here, and you click here, it will give you automatic last name without typing one by one. You can see I started by teaching you how to do concatenate, how to concatenate two names. Now I'm showing you how to separate it, and I will show you how to summary this one by using different formula. Stay tuned. In part 2, I will show you how to deal with it. Thank you very much.